Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Want smooth skin without spending a lot of money? Today, I'll show you how to make natural sugar wax at home. Let's get started. You'll need 1 cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, 1/4 cup of water. Add all the ingredients to a small saucepan. Turn the heat to medium and stir continuously until the sugar completely dissolves. Once it starts boiling, stop stirring and let it cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. Watch the color carefully. When it turns a golden honey or amber color, it's ready. Be careful not to overcook it, or it can burn. Remove the pan from the heat and carefully pour the wax into a heat-safe glass container. Let it cool for about 20 to 30 minutes. It should be warm and flexible, not hot. Once it's cool enough to handle, knead it with clean hands until it becomes lighter in color and easy to stretch. But how to use it? To use it, make sure your skin is clean and completely dry. Apply the sugar wax against the direction of hair growth, then pull it off quickly in the direction of hair growth. This helps reduce breakage and may be gentler on the skin. And that's it. Always do a small patch test first. Avoid applying it to irritated or broken skin. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy DIY beauty tips. Thanks for watching.